In conclusion, you've now seen the basics of every menu inside of Microsoft Excel, in addition to being able to do the basics of calculation, text, and dates. You should also know now how to print the exact area that you want from either your worksheet or from your entire workbook. That means then that you should now be able to pick any template that you want, import it into your screen, and then begin to work with it now that you know the basics of operations. That means then that any template that you use, you should be able to change the headers as well as to change the information that you're collecting. And so now you can take any document that you're working with, you should be able to share it by clicking the share button, and to be able to export it into another file. Now to close, we will then export our document into a PDF file to deliver it digitally. You can do that either through the export menu or through the save as menu. You should now be able to take the file type, find the PDF in this area, and then save your file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.